On to the next segment of the video, which is the community segment, also known as my favorite segment. So let's start off by checking out some of the PC and console setups that you guys sent in. This one's from @Angad I love how Angad seems like he had a photo shoot for all of his consoles. So he has the limited edition PS4 Spider-Man, his Xbox, his PS5. I love how he added in a plant that's in contrast to the Nintendo Switch. That's adorable. That's cute. Okay, so here's a picture of his actual setup. He's got his monitor, PC, and PS5 all integrated in the setup with the moody red RGB, and it feels like I'm either in a dungeon or I'm about to get a bad tan. I'm just kidding. It's a nice setup. Okay, so next we have Yuri1908 who submitted this one via Twitter. So this is a cool living room setup. I like how it has the nice white accent on the wall to go with the color of the speakers and the TV stand. And I really like the long TV console because of the storage space, and they actually help hide some clutter. I do that myself, but yeah, it looks pretty. Okay, next is @It'sUnico via Twitter. So this is his setup. Wait, is that it? Is that a TV show or is that your family? Or maybe it's both. I mean, who knows? Maybe It's Unico is on the famous TV show. Next is Gamer King Always via Twitter. So I like this one. This one is nice and clean. It has the natural wood look, which is cool. But I also like how clean the controller stand and headset stand is. You know, because sometimes you see those setups and the stands always clutter the space, but not here because it has a nice symmetry with the TV on the left, balanced with the stands on the right. Okay, next we have Michael Jambor. Wow. Michael, you are a PlayStation fanatic. Okay, you got so much PlayStation gear. Nice. Wait, I mean, but how many VR headsets do you need? And don't you guys end up bumping into each other? I'm kidding. But he also has the OG PlayStation 1. I'm jealous. A slim PS2 and PS3, and also a PS4. Nice. Nice. Okay, here you can also see he has an Xbox as well. Okay. All right, you don't discriminate. I see you, Michael. Let's do it. Okay, I had to register his username. So next up is BK Lounge 87 from Twitter, and his water-cooled PC. Heat Killer water block, is it? I'm not so sure if that's the Heat Killer or Alpha Cool, but for sure it's an MSI Mobo. And you're a Batman fan. Good taste. And this looks like your setup. So you got the PlayStation symbols as well. So see, PC and PlayStation aren't mutually exclusive. We can play both. All right, next we have Sephiroth 1985-1 on Twitter. So here's his gaming setup, nice and straightforward. So it looks like he's got a PS5 and a PS4 on the left over there. Wait, what kind of skin is that? So it looks like Sephiroth is a fan of space. So good taste. Okay, here is David_Jagnew from Twitter. Ooh, wow. He's got like all the consoles from the Nintendo 64 and old Super Nintendo and lots of storage space. It looks like he's got the Xbox X, but where's the PS5 hiding? I mean, I see the controller over there, but where's the PS5? Maybe it's on the right? Either way, that's a good way to deal with a lot of stuff in tighter spaces. Okay, so here we have Ron from our Discord server. Okay, now this one looks nice and clean. And yay, we got an air-cooled one. So he's got his Gundam guy in there. I like it. I think that's my priority in looking at any of these builds. Builds! My Filipino is coming out looking at all these builds. I like it when it's clean and tidy. Wow, okay, so speaking of nice and tidy, so this is from Reiki87 from our Discord server, and we got a nice dual setup here. I'm guessing you stream because you also have some key lights, and those look like the Elgato Air key lights. Now, I used to use the bigger versions of those, and I know that they can get really bright, so I know that they're nice lights. And I love that you can't even see one wire inside. Like, I'm curious to see what's under the desk though, and how you did your cable management. But anyway, that's a cool setup. Okay, next is, ooh, it's BrainTech. Bonjour, Jonathan. That's all I know. Enchanté, but you already met. So Jonathan is a good friend of ours, and he's also a PC modder, and looks like he's got a pro art build. I mean, it had to be your personal build, but okay. So look at how beautiful the colors are. I really like this color scheme. He's got the RGB on to complement the colors of the side of the case. Okay, and it looks like he's got the Be Quiet light wings. So you can tell because of the signature round RGB around the fans, which is a nice contrast to the millions of Lian Li fans out there. So that's a nice build, Jonathan. I like it. Okay, next is, all right, it's BrainTech at PC again. So this one also got the Lightwing fans and another air-cooled GPU as well. This one has a nice purple hue, and it's another clean job. So here we have the Ashen Phoenix from Discord. Okay, so we have a classic water-cooled Lian Li build. So it looks like a Lian Li dynamic case. I think it could be an Evo case. Well, actually, I'm not 100% sure, but it's definitely a dynamic case. But anyway, moving on. Nice work, Ashen. This is a good job on your part, Ashen Phoenix. So next is Grim from Discord. All right, nice. So we got another air-cooled build here. I really want to get into doing air-cooled builds. More air-cooled builds. Builds. My Filipino accent is so thick with the ills. So Grim said that this is just a basic build, but it's his build that makes him happy. And you know what? He's right. That's all that matters. All right, so next is Prometheus from Discord, and this looks like a water-cooled build in the Lian Li case. What kind of motherboard is that? So I think it might be an ROG Crosshair, but I'm not 100% sure, but that's my guess because of the reflective part to the left right here of the CPU there. Now I would love to see all the tube runs more horizontal, but because of my OCD. But you know what? If you're happy with it, that's all that matters. All right, one more build. And this one is from TDub77 from Discord and YouTube. So now this one is an MSI board in a Lian Li case. He's got the Lian Li streamers going on as well, so that looks so beautiful. And a nice clean horizontal run right over here. And it looks like he's using the Matrix 7 compatible distro plate. So if you guys aren't familiar with that, basically it makes it really convenient and easy to get nice, clean, straight lines. So if you guys want to send in your build setups, you can do so over in our Discord server. We do have a channel called Post Your Setup, and you could do so right there. Or you could just tweet me over at StacksonLFG at Twitter. Or X. It's called X now. I keep calling it Twitter.